Hello, welcome to BuySellVouchers. In the video, we'll explain how to sell a product on BuySellVouchers. Once you're on the dashboard of our website, go to the Profile section from right navigation. Here to become a seller, you need to verify your account. Click on Start Selling. Now here choose, are you resident of USA or other country? Then click Agree and Continue. Here, the first steps is Identity Document. Choose your preferred document type and click Next. Here, you can capture your document's image or can upload manually from library. Let's for time being, I want to upload from gallery. In my case, I need to upload front and back of the document. Then click Next. Now next steps is face authentication. To proceed, click on I'm ready and complete your face authentication process. Now the last step is phone number verification. Click on Send Verification Code. The verification code has been sent on your number. Enter the code here and then click Next. Now here check all the information to make sure everything is correct. Then click Next. Now, just wait and your verification status will update it automatically. Once you verified, navigate to my product page. Click on Add New Product. Here, enter product name and category. In next section, enter price, then scroll down and enter product name and description of a product. Then upload an image of product. Scroll down and lastly choose payment method. What will you accept? Then click Next. Here, add PIN or serial or code of your product. You can add image or file of codes more than one. Also can enter manually. I go for manual. Here, enter code and description. Then click Save. Your product successfully added in market for a sell. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels for more content. Thank you for choosing BuySellVouchers.